Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, before starting today's topic, we will revise yesterday topic. Now, that is leaf. So, student, leaves are parts of a plant or tree attached to branches or stem. Now, leaves are most important part of the shoot. Mostly leaves are green in color. Plant food is made in leaves. So, leaf is called kitchen of the plant or food factory of the plant. Leaves give out oxygen, and leaves of some plant like cabbage, methi, we eat. So, student, today we will learn about flowers and fruits. Let's start. Now student, lesson 7, parts of a plant. Now our talking flowers and fruits. Okay, now we see different types of flowers around us. Flowers have different colors, shapes and smells. Some flowers have a sweet smell. So, student, flowers are attractive and most beautiful part of a plant. A flower sometimes known as bloom or blossom. Different flowers are of different colors, shapes and size. Flowers may be present singly or in groups on a stem. Flowers are the reproductive part of a plant. Now, flowers grow from buds on the stem. Most flowers grow into fruits. Now, student, flowers grow from buds on the stem, and flowers grow and become fruits. Now I am telling you about fruits. Okay, now fruit is the sweet, fleshy, edible part of a plant. It generally contains seed. Fruits are usually eaten raw, although some varieties can be cooked. Student, fruits come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and flavors. Here, by the process, we will understand how a bird turns into a fruit. Now, student, there are 4 steps in this process. Okay, student, you can see here 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now, in the first step, a bud grow on stem or branches. Okay. Now, student, in the second step, the bud turns into a flower. You can see here, bud turns into a flowers. Okay, now clear? Now student, third step. Student, in the third step, flowers fades away and a small green fruit comes out. You can see here. Okay, now clear? Now in the fourth step, fruits grows bigger and ripens. Yes, then the fruits grow and ripen. Now student, write names of two fruits having one seed. Okay. Now, student, write names of two fruits having one seed. Okay. Here I will write two names of two such fruits which contain only one seed. Okay. Now, student, first example of this is avocado. Now, avocado is a tree likely originating from south central Mexico. Avocado is a green pear-shaped fruit. Avocado has one seed. Okay, now clear? Now student, second example of this, mango. Yes, king of the fruit, mango fruit is one of the most popular nutritional rich fruit with unique flavor, taste, and mango has one seed. So student, here we will write name of two fruit which contain only one seed. Now the first is avocado. Now A V O C A D O. Okay, now avocado. Now student, second example. Yes, second is mango. M A N G O. Mango. Okay, now clear? Student, once again I am telling you how a bird turns into a fruit. There are 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, first step, a bird grows on a stem or branches. Okay. Now, stem or branches पे. Now, student, second step, the bird turns into a flowers. You can see here. Okay. Now student, in the third step, flowers fades away and and a small green fruit come out. You can see here the small green fruit comes out. And now last step, fourth step, fruit grows bigger and ripens. So student, today I told you about flowers and fruits. I hope you all must have understood today's topic. So student, now homework. Read today's topic carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.